So this idea that every day represents that it carries a spirit. There's modern day astrology. Most people kind of consider astrology this maybe a bit unscientific woo-woo type of set of beliefs. But do you think there's some wisdom that astrology carries? From your scholarship of the Maya calendar, do you think if we carry that to the astrological perspective on the world, do you think there's some wisdom there?
I don't know. I have a woo-woo part of me.
Mhm.
I would like to believe that stuff, but I don't think as a scientist I cannot come up with a biological, scientific reason why that would be true.
Mhm.
And, when you look at it objectively, I mean, really, is everybody born with the sign Scorpio a moody person? That's just objectively not true. But it is funny how oftentimes these Maya horoscopes, for lack of a better word, do hit the mark. There was some student who surveyed like 300 people with the app I made and asked them about their Greek sign and their Maya sign, and his conclusion for his term paper was that the Maya one was working way better. Which that's fascinating. At least that's fun. But no, I think I'm too much of a scientist to believe that. I just don't have any foundation in science that would allow us to believe that the month in which we were born in a cycle sets our personality and destiny.
I agree, and yet there's so much mystery all around us that what I do like is the inbuilt humility to that worldview. That there's this whole, you can call it a spiritual world, but a world that we don't quite understand. And then you can wonder about what is the wisdom that world carries. And then you can construct all kinds of systems to try to interpret that. And then there is where the human hubris can come in and, but it's good to be humbled by how little we know, I suppose.
I do love the mysteries of the world, and I would love to find an ancient civilization, but I don't want to solve the mysteries of the world. I think they're one of the things that make world life worth living.
That's true. That's true.